Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. Today we are about to discuss all the details of the new Ford Maverick compact pickup truck for the American markets. As we all know, America loves pickup trucks and the Ford F-150 pickup truck is the best-selling vehicle all over the country. However, the Ford F-150 has grown larger over the years while also becoming more expensive. The XL regular cab version starts from a base price of 29 grand, with the crew cab version starting from 36 grand. Just recently, Ford also launched the Ranger pickup truck in the American market as a mid-size and more affordable pickup truck. However, the Ranger 2 is not so compact, with the XL Super Cab model starting from 28 grand. So now, Ford is bringing yet another compact pickup truck, which is to be positioned below the Ford Ranger. With this new compact pickup truck, Ford is also resurrecting the Maverick nameplate, which was previously used for a compact sedan till the year 1977. Here's a compilation of the top 5 facts you need to know about the new compact Ford Maverick pickup truck. Let's start with the underpinnings and design. The new Ford Maverick pickup truck will be based on the same platform as the Ford Bronco Sport SUV and the Ford Escape crossover. However, the Maverick is a much longer vehicle with a longer wheelbase. This means that the Ford Maverick will be the only unibody pickup truck from Ford, unlike the Ranger and the F-Series pickups, which are more traditional body-on-frame. Going by the spy shots, the Ford Maverick is likely to get front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive option as well. The front-wheel drive version will have a low-cost, non-independent twist-beam rear suspension setup combined with shocks and coil springs, whereas the all-wheel drive version is likely to sport a fully independent suspension setup. That said, the Ford Maverick pickup truck will look completely different when compared to the Ford Bronco Sport or the Escape. The Maverick will sport the traditional pickup truck design, with most of the design elements borrowed from the F-150 range. The Maverick will get a large grille at the front, flanked by signature C-shaped headlamps, also offering LEDs at the top trim level. The tail lamps too will have LEDs, with the Maverick model name embedded onto the pickup's tailgate. Being a unibody pickup truck, the Maverick will not be as tall or high as the F-150 or the Ranger, and will also be shorter in length despite being longer than the Ford Bronco Sport. Next up comes the interior. While not being as expansive as the Ford F-150, the Maverick will have a similar modern interior design as the Ford Bronco Sport. Going by the images, the center console features a large touchscreen system on top, just beside the equally large instrument cluster. Apart from standard stuff like cruise control, Sync 4, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the Maverick will also be offering dual-zone automatic climate control and a rotary transmission selector similar to the Ford Bronco Sport. At first, the Maverick will be available as a crew cab version only, with a 2-door regular cab version expected to be launched later. The third fact to be discussed is the powertrain. Being based on the Ford Bronco Sport, the Maverick could also offer the same engine options, including a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder gas engine producing 181 horsepower and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 245 horsepower. After taking a look at the teaser, it is also likely that the Maverick will also offer a hybrid powertrain option. Transmission duties will be taken care of by an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Next up, let's quickly brush up on the loading and hauling capacity of the Ford Maverick. Being based on the same platform as the Ford Bronco Sport and also having the same engines, the Ford Maverick pickup is expected to have a 2,000-pound towing capacity for the all-wheel drive version. And since it is going to be a crew cab version only, the Maverick is expected to offer a slightly shorter bed compared to the 5-foot-long bed of the crew cab Ranger. And just like the Ford Bronco Sport, the Ford Maverick could also offer the trailer assist system backed up by the Ford Co-Pilot 360. Finally, let's talk about the positioning and pricing of this new Ford Maverick. With compact dimensions, smaller engines, and a unibody construction based on the Ford Bronco Sport, the Maverick will be positioned as an entry-level pickup truck below the Ford Ranger. The base-level no-frills variant is likely to start from under 20 grand, with the top trim level still being 4 grand cheaper than the Ford Ranger. Not just for the US, the Ford Maverick could also go on sale in other global markets including South America, Australia and Asia. Ford has already announced that the global debut of the Ford Maverick will take place on the 8th of June, which is just a couple days away. Stay tuned for our detailed coverage on the new Ford Maverick compact pickup truck after the official global debut. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.